Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we are doing Mountain High line dance, okay? It is a one wall dance and it is 8 counts of 8, but it's a lot of repeating in this line dance, so don't let those 8 counts fool you. It is a beginner line dance, so you will get it easily, all right? So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my back to you to make it easier to follow. This is my right, this is my left. Our first count of 8 are kickball change with a tap out. So let me show you how that goes. You're going to start with the right. You're going to kick your right foot. Then you're going to step on that right. You're going to switch your weight so that you can tap with the left. Okay? So it's kick, step, tap. All right? And we call that in line dance kickball change. It's in dance too. But anyway, kickball change. Okay? So kick, step, tap. Right? Kickball change. Tap out with the left, tap in with the left as well, okay? So kick, step, tap, tap out and in, right? Try one more time. Kick, ball change, tap out, in, okay? And then you're going to repeat it to the left, all right? You're going to kick that left, kick it out, step on it, shift that weight, and then tap with the right, all right? And then out, in, okay? So let's try that side. Kick, ball, change, out, in. Okay, one more time. Kick, step, tap, tap out, and then in. Okay, so let's try both sides together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step, tap, out, in. Kick, step, tap, out, in. Okay, let's try it with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right? From here, so that's the first count of, that was the first count of 8. The second count of 8 are 4 pretty girls, right? So it's out, back, left, out, back, right, out, back, left, out, back. Okay? So we just went kick, ball, change, tap, out, kick, ball, change, tap, out, and tap again. Now back. Keep going and going. Okay? So those are the first 2 counts of 8. Counts 3 and 4 are a repeat of what we just did. All right? So you know the first 4 counts already. So let's do that. Let's do the first 4 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now pretty girl, right and left and right and left. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. Kick, ball, change. In, out, up, out, back, out, back, out, back. Okay? First 4 counts. All right. 5th count of 8 is a cha-cha and a rock step. All right. So we just went 7, 8. So we're going to, with our right foot, we're going to cha-cha up. 1 and 2. Okay. And then step forward with that left foot with a rock. 3, 4. And then step back with the left. 5, 6. So sit on it and tap at the same time. Tap on 6. Pick up that right. 7. Tap 8. Okay. So what did I just do? 1 and 2. Rock. 3, 4. Left, back, and sit. Right, back, and sit. Okay. And when you sit, you tap your foot. All right. I might have left one of those taps out. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Rock. Then step, tap, step, tap. Okay. All right. So that is, what count is that? That's 5? Yes. Yes, that's count 5. That's the 5th count of 8. Ready? So while we're here, let me just show you the 6th count, because while we're here, so you just went 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? The 6th count of 8 is just 4 rolls, right? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Your feet do not move. You're just rolling your body, all right? Each roll is 2 counts. So it's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's the full count of 8. I'll turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. We just went cha-cha, up, rock, back, and back, tap in, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? All right, so that is the first 6 counts. So let's go through those together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, tap out and in. Kick, ball, change, tap out and in. Now out and out, out and out. Cha-cha up and rock, step, back, tap, now roll. 2, 4, 6, 8. How is that? Yes? All right. So let's finish this off, right? Last 2 counts of 8 are the same, okay? So we just finished rolling. And what it is are heel steps in a jazz box, okay? So it's heel and heel. So right heel, then left heel, okay? All I'm doing is right heel and left heel, okay? And then from there, we jazz box, cross over the right, step back left, step back right, step in left, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? That's the 7th and the 8th count of 8, all right? So it's a repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So let us put all 8 counts together, all right? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, out 3, 4, out 5, 6, out 7, 8. Repeat. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, out 3, 4, out 5, 6, out 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2. Rock. Step, tap, now roll. 6. I don't know why I said 6. 7, 8. And then heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the dance starts over, all right? So that is Mountain High. I'll go through it one more time. Let's pick up the pace, right? Because it's a fast-paced song, okay? It's really fun. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? Cha-cha, cha-cha. Up, rock, and step, tap. Now roll it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heels in jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heels in jazz box. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Ta 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 ta. Bum bum. Ta 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 ta. Okay, that is it. All right. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, let me know. Send me a comment, all right? Like, share, subscribe to the channel as we grow together. I thank y'all having a good time. I hope you are too. Get on that dance floor. Have fun. Love you guys. See you next time. Mwah!